Let's make what is probably the most flavorful Jägermeister cocktail I've ever tried. Stick around.
Has playing host for the holidays left you with a surplus of spirits? Feeling overwhelmed with what to do with all these leftover juices and liqueurs? Don't pour them down the sink, pour them in your face. With the all-new recipe from Difford's guide, The Jungle Hunt, featuring an eclectic mix of ingredients that is sure to make use of your abundance of alcohol, with flavors of pineapple, cinnamon, orange, clove, and even Jägermeister. So transform your post-holiday home bar conundrum with The Jungle Hunt today.
So the holidays may be over, but you still might be jonesing for one last flavorful cocktail that hangs on to a few flavors that are reminiscent of the season. Plus, with dry January wrapping up, it's also a way to use up any leftover spirits and mixers that you might have hanging around from all the
holiday partying.
Thankfully, Difford's guide brings us the Jungle Hunt, which is probably the best use of Jägermeister I've ever seen since we made the Meister Plan on this show over 3 years ago. Man, this show is old. Link in description. What Difford has done is use some specific holiday style spices such as cinnamon and Falernum to bring out the baking spice notes that are naturally buried in Jägermeister in addition to its famous black licorice flavor. All that is set against a powerful pineapple theme with pineapple rum and juice and some lemon as well to offset the sweetness. It all comes together to make a powerfully flavorful drink. But before we go any further, please consider giving us a like and subscribe. It really helps out the show. All right, we're gonna start this off with 2/3 ounce of lemon juice, 1 1/3 ounces of pineapple juice, 1/3 ounce of cinnamon syrup. This is gonna start with those seasonal flavors. We'll continue that with a 1/2 ounce of Falernum liqueur. We're using Liquid Alchemist. Now 1 ounce of Jägermeister for those herbal notes and some additional spice. A 1/2 ounce of pineapple rum. We're using Plan Array. And finally, 2 dashes of Angostura Orange Bitterss. All right, let's pour this into our shaker. We're gonna add a couple ice cubes to chill, dilute, and integrate. Shake for about 10 to 15 seconds. Also just sounds cool. Pineapple-y. Difford says to serve this in a rocks glass. Gonna fill it with crushed ice. Now, just strain it in. Now Difford says to garnish this with a big pineapple wedge, but in lieu of that, we're gonna use a orange wheel. Stick a straw in, and there it is, Jungle Hunt. Let's take a look at this beast. Pineapple-y. Yeah, as we mentioned before, those seasonal ingredients such as the cinnamon and the rich Falernum really bring out the holiday spirit that's buried inside the Jägermeister. And then that combined with the pineapple and then the lemon citrus really just creates an extremely flavorful, powerful cocktail. It's really incredible. This truly already is one of our favorite cocktails of the year. Let us know what you think about it in the comments below. Until next time, cheers. I don't know about Mr. Difford, but for me, Jungle Hunt is always going to be referring to the Atari game of the same name, which is also powerful and awesome. The holidays may be over, but you... Oh God, okay.
Oh my God.